Today we're diagnosing this car. It has a thumping noise in the front end. This is how we do it. The older gentleman listens to the dashboard to see if there's anything loose.
It's right where the training mount is. I think it's the training mount.
The mechanic does his job by getting into the hood of the car to diagnose the problem. The diagnostic technician holds on for his life. The technician isn't worried and continues to diagnose the car. The technician looks for loose pieces to find the thumping noise.
Come on, Jimmy.
So I'm just listening to the floor while he listens under the hood. This guy's driving. The only way to hear the noise is to drive the car at a fast speed over a bumpy road. After a quick ride, it looks as if we might have a tranny mount problem. Okay, we got a block of wood holding the transmission.
Ready.
Problem solved. Another happy customer.